Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to view Twitter comments. So the first step is go to the application of X, and if you want to see, here in the posts, X got the button of if you want to, comment that publication, that post. But if you want to see the comments in this in this post, you need to go to the option of the profile of that person, and you can see all the comments here. All the person who put their comment in the post. So for example, if this person got a tag in this post, you pick in the same way here, and you can see all the comments what they that post have. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.